Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous lab, we saw how a non-compliant device gets blocked, but in real enterprise environment, you don't apply policies to everyone, you apply them to a specific group. So in this lab, I'm going to show you how to target conditional access policies using security groups. So right now, the policy is targeting all users. That works for testing, but not how a real organization operates. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply this policy to employees while excluding admin. So while we're in our Entra Admin Center, we're going to go to Policies. And this is the conditional access policy we're working with. So as you can see here, this policy is targeting all users and specific users are excluded. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this from all users to specific groups. And we're going to target the employee group. Also, one thing to remember here is that you want your admin accounts to be excluded. So we're going to exclude our security groups. So we can remove this. So we can remove the two accounts we targeted from the previous policy. We're going to select IT admin because we don't want to get locked out. So we're going to exclude our IT admin group. So as you can see here, we changed it from all users to the employee group, and we exclude our IT admin group. And that's pretty much it. We'll save the policy. So what we just did is we shift from a global policy to a targeted policy. This means only users in the employee group will be affected. Admins are excluded to prevent lockout. And this is pretty much how enterprise safely deploys security control. Now that part is done, we're going to test it. Now we're in the testing phase. I'm going to log in using two accounts, one in the employee group and one in the IT admin group, and we'll see the difference. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to test the employee group. So I'm going to go to my Azure portal and I'm going to test using this employee group right here. So if a policy is working, this should block this employee from logging in. So as you can see here, we'll go through our authentication step. So yeah, as you can see, this employee is being affected by the policy. They're not able to log in. So which means that our policy is working because, well, this user is in the all employee group and he's not able to log in because of the conditional access policy we set up. Now, let's say if we target our admin account, we should be able to log in. I'm going to use my admin account. As you can see here, I'm doing all this live, so you guys can see that if we run into any error message. So once we authenticate. So as you can see, I was able to log in using the admin account because the admin account was excluded from the policy. So to wrap up, we saw that the user that was in the all employee group was not able to log in, and our admin account were able to log in using that account because it was excluded from policy. And that's pretty much it. So we've taken our basic conditional access policy and we made it enterprise ready by applying it to group-based targeting. So this is a critical concept in cloud security and identity management. So in the next lab, we're going to build onto this by adding MFA enforcement. As you can see here, we already have an MFA policy that's targeting all users, but we're going to apply it to a specific group. So if you find this lab helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for more content.